For all friends who watch this video, please do subscribe my channel, like and share. English, school grammar, parts of speech. Parts of speech. Every word is made up of letters and every sentence is made up of words. In English grammar, according to the use of words in a sentence, words are categorized into various kinds of classes, which are known as parts of speech. The parts of speech in English grammar are divided into 8 parts of speech. They are: 1 is noun, 2 is pronoun, 3 is adjective, 4 is verb, 5 is adverb, 6 is preposition. 7 is conjunction, 8 is interjection. Let's we know about noun. What is noun? A noun names a person, place, thing or idea. For example, person, Maria, boy, doctor. Place, New York, park, outer space. Thing, pen, watermelon, table. Idea, fairness, friendship, fear. Second one is pronoun. A pronoun replaces the name of a person, place, object, or idea in a sentence. For example, you, we, they, he, she, me, it, him, her, this, that, those, these, each. Third one is adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. For example, size or shape, thinny, long, oval, structure, prickly, smooth, leathery, odor, taste, naughty, flowery, sure, appearance, bright, beautiful, faded. Fourth one is verb. A verb tells a noun's action or state of being. Example, action, ask, jump, think, want, run, dance, eat, fix. State of being, is, are, be, have, has, was, were. Fifth one is adverb. An adverb tells how often, when or where. It can describe a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Example, how, loudly, quickly. How often, always, never. When, before, soon. Where, away, inside. Preposition. A preposition shows the relationship such as direction, time or placement between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. For example, about, across, after, around, before, between, into, through, to. Seventh one is conjunction. A conjunction joins two ideas or shows the relationship between two parts of a sentence. For example, and, because, but, so, though, or, until, while, unless. Eighth one is interjection. An interjection expresses strong emotion and is often followed by an explanation point. For example, oh, boo, hurry up, oh no, hey, well. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel, like and share. Save trees.